Okay, as you already know, this is a US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. We're going to get into a little recap from my last tool haul video. I didn't realize I was being distracted while I was recording, and the video that I uploaded was actually the wrong video that I wanted to upload to YouTube. So we're going to get back into it. I'm in the shop now. On the side tray, as you can see, I basically have the two items. So we're going to get over here, and once again, like I said, this is a 6-piece metric Genius professional tools, extra long box end wrenches, as you can see here, to give you a better clear view at the part number, which is DE-76M. And if I can get it here, as you can see, these are measurement sizes: 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 13 to 15, 14 to 17, 16 to 18, and 17 to 19. These are some very nice long box end wrenches right here, as you can see, and over here also, which you can see here, is a ratcheting breaker bar adapter made by Snap-on, and the part number is SV67, as you can see. It has its off and on switch mechanism for quick ratcheting. It's 1/2 inch. Okay. Like I always say, I always keep my Dunkin' Donuts coffee lingering somewhere in the background, as always, as usual. Yeah, we in the shop. It's kind of quiet today, but there's a few techs still getting busy at the moment, as you can hear in the background, so you know that it's real. Okay. So later on, may have another tool haul coming up for you, so stay tuned. Peace.